The three questions that you ask yourself in order to identify if you're being busy or productive. One, does this even need to be done? What would happen if you did not do it at all? What would happen if it never got done? Or does this need to be done right now? Maybe it can be done later. It's not important yet. It will be one day, but there's more important things now. And is it already good enough? If you're a perfectionist, maybe it does not need to be done because you've already gotten to the point where it's useful. And now you're just being perfectionist. Is this moving me towards my main goals? The things that are the most important to me. So it might be moving you towards a goal, but is it moving you towards one of your highest priority goals? That's one of the things that you can ask yourself. And what other tasks are you giving up in order to do this one? You have a limited amount of time, limited amount of mental energy, all that willpower. What are you giving up with time or energy in order to do that task? And is it worth it? Is that a good trade off? So, those are the three questions that you can ask yourself.